going to be trying the Golden Hour eyeshadow from Ulta and apparently ColourPop. Hopefully this can transform me and trick people into thinking that I'm not the offspring of the girl from Corpse Bride and Chucky. I'm about as fucking pale as one of those Casper pumpkins. Or bird shit. These colors are so pretty. Look at that. Funny, like the only color I'm gonna have is on my eyeballs. Literally went ahead and put on foundation because I wanted to make a makeup video and not a horror film. So I'm just going to be doing the all that. Because I'm not all that, but I need all that. I need all of it. I need everything. The light in this bathroom makes no sense. The mirror is behind me. There's hardly no lighting facing the mirror. I look like a big old silhouette, which is probably better than actually looking at my face. But yeah, not very helpful. Like, what kind of like setup is this? Why is the better lighting above the freaking bathtub? Like, when I'm in the bathtub, the last thing I want to see is like my whole body. But yeah, somehow this is matching me. Not really sure. Maybe this is like the color of like bones or some shit, because normal palettes usually don't do anything for me. Alice, what are you doing? I think Alice wants out. Yep. Alice wants out. My cat saw that I was doing this video like really close up, so I guess she had to make a run for it. Huh. That was not the right color. Actually, no, wait. That was the right color. The one that I just put my finger in is not the right color. In the moment. Yeah, it was in the moment, alright. Let's do the honey dipped. Get some honey, cause I ain't got no honey. Oh, maybe if there was like some kind of neon pale honey, I'd have some of that. Maybe some cracker honey. Saltine. Golden waves. Maybe that might help me. I don't know. I don't know if anything can help me at this point. My mama can't even help me. Let's see. I don't even think Oprah could help me. Let's see. There's some color. There's some color. There's a cat crying out there. Don't know what to do for her. I'm so far away. He was dreaming. Because I'm dreaming of not being a pill bitch. Damn. That was pretty cool. Okay. Definitely getting scary movie vibes. Now, y'all are probably wondering why I'm using my fingers. It's because my face is so fucked up that regular tools just don't look right on me. I've tried using makeup brushes. It always just turns out looking so weird and so uneven, and got some weird like little spaces and gaps in the makeup. Like, it just doesn't work for me. There's something wrong with my face. I haven't quite figured it out yet. I'm surprised this camera's still working. I'm so close to it. There's gonna be a malfunction if I get too much closer to it. Kind of looks like a pumpkin took a dump on my eyelids. I'm going to use the Love the Vibes. I'm trying to love my vibes, bitch. Okay. Definitely a lot darker than I thought, but that's okay. Oh, I'll just do a little bit of tweaking, make it work. So I'm not a fan of my eyebrows, and that's why I kind of feel this part. If you're someone like me and you just always have caterpillars on your face and no beautician can do anything with it, because every time you let a beautician touch it, they end up turning it into like a little squiggly line that basically looks like someone pencil draw their freaking eyebrows on your forehead. This is a great technique to use. My eyebrows are very piecey and beauticians don't seem to understand that. I mean, I don't understand it either. My face makes no fucking sense. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta go with the flow and just make them dark. Alright, so now I want to use this stuff. I mostly just use it on the corner of my eyes. As one of my favorite actresses once said, the eyes are the nipple of the face, so you have to highlight them. Perfect. The fact that I'm doing all of this in like my little camera thingy, I'm actually very impressed with myself. I look like that I am doing this, like the results are like someone who is like mildly drunk instead of super drunk, so thank you for effort. I'm definitely bringing the party ant vibes in. The kind of ant that people just kind of sigh when they hear that they're coming to Thanksgiving or any other kind of like family event. Mostly for comedic relief, not that she actually brings anything to the table. That's me. Which is not too far off because I do actually have 2 nieces and a nephew. Oh my god, I'm getting old. Let's fix this. My eyebrows are so painful. This still looks like I still had a little bit of color left in them from the other day from not taking it off well enough. I just don't use makeup remover. It's so bad for your skin. And I don't want to age any faster than I already am. I'm on my way to looking like a dried up prune or a raisin. The eyeliner I normally use, but I just bought it and I still have that other stuff that I don't particularly care for too much. But this is what I would normally use. It's great. Another piece I'm going to add. I guess I'm a Stella fan. I have no idea when that happened, but I guess that's my shit. I didn't even know it. Don't look at the box too much. It's gross. This is what the inside looks like. That's gross too. Don't look at it. Just all full of makeup. So fucking lazy. Like just like doing this little extra steps. I'm like, oh man, this is a lot of work. Even though it only took me about 20 minutes. That's a long time in makeup time though. It's like several years worth, you know, in real time. So it feels like been here for an eternity. Here's the final part. Too Faced. I like their stuff too apparently. Don't know when that happened. Don't look at it. It's gross. really do my makeup like normal people. I'm sorry. I know this probably is like stressing a lot of makeup enthusiasts out. I'm probably not watching this shit. If you're a real makeup enthusiast, you ain't watching this. I'm a nobody when it comes to makeup. I just like to do up here because my hair is uneven up here. I'm not really sure why. All that darn stress from working at Walmart all those years. So I fucked my hair up. I've had these little lines in my forehead since I was 16. That shit drives me crazy. I was born old. Oh man, no wonder everyone at school bullied me. It makes sense now. They were like, what's this old bitch doing in here? Doing in the 4th grade. And voila, I went from a dog to a butterfly. More like a moth. Yeah, I'm like the moth that is attracted to lamps. The one that kind of like, not even the cute moth, the moth that everyone's creeped out by, that just kind of like sits in the corner of the room that everyone's just kind of looking at like, oh, my cat eats that thing. Yay, thank you, golden hour. That's the whole video, bye.